Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, My Simple Remedies. How many of us take care of our lips just the same way you care about your facial skin? Lips require the same amount of care and time that we give to the rest of our body. Just the same way we take care of our face, our hands, our feet, and other body parts, lips also need some love. You're looking for ways to improve your health? Then don't worry, because today I will show you how to take care of your lips. Number 1. Lip scrub. Take a bowl and add 50 grams of honey, 4 teaspoons of sugar, 5 ml of rose water, and 5 ml of vanilla essence. Mix it all well together. Take about half a teaspoon and scrub your lips for a minute. Honey attracts moisture and helps keep your lips hydrated and healthy. Sugar is an excellent scrub and will exfoliate your lips, while rose water has several healing properties, which can work well for soothing and moisturizing your lips. Number 2. Lip moisturizer. The best remedy that I have discovered is just to apply a drop of clarified butter on the lips every night for a couple of days. You can also apply a little honey, as it is also a great moisturizer. I guarantee you will see an amazing and immediate difference in just 3 to 4 days. Number 3. Lightening dark lips. You can make a lip mask that will lighten up your lips miraculously. Take a bowl and 2 tablespoons of almond paste, 1 teaspoon of grated raw potato, a juice of half a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of fresh cream. Mix them all very well and apply a coat of it on your lips. Potatoes contain catecholase, a naturally occurring enzyme that is best known for reducing skin darkness. The citric acid in lemon juice helps to lighten up the dark shade of lips. It hydrates your lips from within and helps even out their complexion as well. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off with water. Use it 2 to 3 times a week. Number 4. Dark outlined lips. Take a bowl with cold, full-fat milk in it. Soak some cotton pads and then use them as a cold compress on your lips. Leave it on until it starts to warm up, and then replace it with another cold compress. Keep on doing this for 10 minutes. Use it for 3 to 4 days and you will feel immediate difference. Number 5. Apply fresh cream to your cracked lips and massage for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, apply a cold water compress to the lips. Do it 2 to 3 times a day and you will see a remarkable difference. Moisturizing and hydration is very important to make your lips look beautiful. I hope you liked my simple and effective natural remedies for almost all of your lip problems. If you enjoyed my video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.